Hello guys, good morning and it's a bright sunny day. Damn, मतलब इतना सुंदर है ये जगह and I don't know whether you all can see it or I just want to show you all. Just look at it. आज थोड़ी धूप है, मतलब मौसम अच्छा है, बारिश तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, बारिश हुई भी नहीं है रात भर, बट इट्स कंप्लीट सनी डे. बहुत धूप है बट इट्स नाइस. आई मीन यहाँ पे आप जब पानियों के बीच में हो धूप आपको इतनी ज़्यादा महसूस नहीं होती है, बट गुड. आई विल शो यू ऑल द व्यू. सो दिस इज़ द व्यू इन द मॉर्निंग. वाओ, नाइस. सी विल बी गोइंग फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट नाउ. मैं वहाँ पे आपको वहाँ का कैसा है ब्रेकफास्ट का शो योर, बिकॉज इट्स अ स्लाइट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द सनसेट विला. वाटर विला का ब्रेकफास्ट इज डिफरेंट. सो लेट्स गो.
बहुत धूप है.
बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब हमें 2 दिन टैनिंग तो नहीं हुई है बट आज तो डेफिनेटली होने वाली है.
नहीं होगी.
सो वी कैन नॉट सी एनी फिशेस. रात को ये पूरा फिशेस से भरा हुआ था बट एक भी फिशेस नहीं है.
और आज पानी से भरा हुआ है.
हाँ, आज पानी से भरा हुआ है. एक सेकेंड, पानी से भरा हुआ है मतलब. Okay, so see you all at the breakfast area. Okay, so we have finally reached to the restaurant and this is the place where we're gonna have our breakfast. So this is a place where we're having all the 3 meals. Which one is it? So this is the restaurant. Let's see what all is there today. Wow. Yeah, just let me know आपको ये इस डेजर्ट, आई मीन इसे जो भी कहते हैं उसका नाम लेने में डिफ़िकल्टी होती है, बिकॉज मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्टी होती है. आई गेस शिवम pronounces it really very well. Okay, so Shivam, what is it called?
This
Yeah,
Corazon.
Corazon. Okay.
Chocolate rice.
So I'm having chocolate donut and
Chocolate
this.
donut or
Both.
one chocolate donut and one Corazon.
Oh, we found somebody Indian. So where are you from?
Bangalore.
Oh, nice.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
Hi for your subscribers too. Hi
did-
for your subscribers.
Oh, I got a new subscriber here. Thank you.
What a banana bread?
Yes.
Half, no? Half plate.
And what else you're planning to have? Omelette.
Eggs.
Eggs. Yeah. So you're missing mom's omelette, right?
Yeah.
She makes the. Actually, I've learnt making omelette from her. So let's go. I'm getting to eat dosa. Damn, I'm so excited to have that. An omelette. I did not get dosa once also. We had an uttapam yesterday, but that wasn't that tasty. But I'm having really very high hopes from dosa. So happy. I guess people who know me, they know that how much I in love with dosa. अलग ही खुशी मिलती है यार डोसा खा के. I mean, are you also a dosa lover? Do let me know in the comment section, guys. And I've told him to add butter. So, yeah. I was in a plan of just having fruits, but after seeing dosa, I am like, नहीं यार डोसा ही खाना है. Do you have chutney? Yeah. Thank you. No, that's it. Thank you. वो छोटी थी. चले? Yes. Wow. Can't wait to have the dosa today. Finally, I got it. Thank you so much. Wow, 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 wow. I really can't explain how happy I am seeing this dosa. Damn. Okay, so that's the time to show you all the view. जहाँ हम बैठ रहे हैं. And the view is amazing. Can't get over this, yeah.
And omelette as
Yeah, let's go. As usual, matlab we didn't get the dosa. We got the dosa for the first time.
usual. Omelette as
Omelette, yeah. So Shivam is badly missing mom's omelette.
usual. And salad.
And again salad.
I'm not taking.
Guys, this is the view. And here you can see is our table. And this is the beautiful view with the perfect breakfast. Yippee! Okay, so this is the other section where we have oats, different types of yogurt.
Alright.
These are all the juices that we have. Fruit section, yeah. Fruits. I want watermelon and mango. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, a little more. Just 2 slices of watermelon. Can you give me this one?
Alright.
Yeah. That's it. Thank you so much. We are done with the fruit. You too. Okay, we don't want the dosas to get cold. I need to rush. A perfect breakfast with a perfect view with the perfect person in life. Wow. All set for the breakfast? Okay, so we are heading towards the swimming pool.
Aqua Zumba.
So what's happening there?
Aqua Zumba.
Oh, okay. Okay, so Aqua Zumba is happening there. So, wow, this is gonna be fun. You see that? Wow. That's really nice. Okay, this is super exciting.
Remove.
So
Hindi
they're
Gana.
playing Hindi songs. They're playing Hindi songs. Wow. Chanda chamke
Go, go.
cham cham. Okay, so we are all dressed up and we're going for lunch. So me and Shivam are twinning today. So let's go for lunch and let's see what's special. Today we both are very hungry. हम दोनों ने swimming की है बहुत. So yeah. Shima looking nice.
You too.
Which salad is this?
This is parmesan with your preference cheese salad.
Oh,
All these are parmesan cheese.
okay.
So just mix together. Some dressing, your olive oil and mustard. Some salt and pepper. Yeah, salad, so.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Enjoy your day.
You too. So Shivam, tell us what all do we have here?
So these are chapatis, papadam, not papad, papadam.
Okay.
This is parmesan salad. This is fish curry,
Bihari fish curry, that is.
Bihari fish curry. This is pan-fried fish with lots of butter in it.
Okay.
These
Dessert.
are some desserts, mud cake, chocolate mousse. This is dal
Palak.
typical Indian. We got your prawns biryani and curd rice and I don't know what,
Bottle gourd
bottle
sabzi.
grounds, carrots and some salads.
Perfect lunch. The perfect person.
It's a perfect one.
So guys, this is the coconut shop at Sun Island, and we were just taking photographs over there, and we just requested him to take our photographs. So then we just started interacting with him. He informed us that he's from Tamil Nadu and he only knows Tamil language. He does not know English, he does not know the Maldivian language. So you know, he got me this coconut for free. He did not charge, wherein there are charges for this. So very sweet of you. Yeah, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, very sweet. Very nice guy. Very nice. He does not understand English, guys. Your name? Name? Pradeep.
Yes.
And you're from Tamil Nadu, right? So these people are so sweet, guys. They feel so happy meeting the Indians. मतलब इतने खुश हो जाते हैं यार ये लोग इंडियन से मिलकर. ये लोग खुद सामने से आके बातें करते हैं हम सबसे. That are you Indian? Oh wow, ऐसे करके. So it's good यार. I mean अच्छा लगता है अपने लोगों को ऐसे सब देशों में देखकर. Great work. Yeah. No, thanks. Already bought पी लिया. So that one he gave me, I drank. So yeah, thank you. Okay, so we're gonna play badminton now. So I'll show you the badminton court. So we're gonna play badminton. Shivam, ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, all set. He's playing dart now. Oh my god, that's really nice. Whoa. The first one was really good, yeah? Well done.
How many points? I don't know how many points.
But nice. One was very close.
When was
Good.
your
Okay, so that's the end of today's vlog. See you guys tomorrow. And our Maldives trip has come to an end. But don't forget, like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Twinkling Tips.